Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. This is sort of a random video, which I may not post, we'll see. I was actually thinking about going to lunch in the woods today and doing maybe a canteen cup cooking video today. And I happen to be going through, this is one of those locking lid tote boxes you can pick up. I'm just I was thinking about doing something today in the canteen cup, but I thought I'd share. This is kind of how I store all my outdoor food. I don't remember what this is. Okay. Got a Spam single. I've got a bag full of just random drink mixes. I got hot chocolate flavored, mint hot chocolate, MRE beverages, smoked almonds are in here, just randomly tossed in there. I store all my teas and beverages in these like shoebox style bins. You can get them for $1, and they have a lid. But I keep my teas in here, hot chocolate, random hot chocolates. I've got ketchup packet in here, empty Altoids tin. I've just got bags of salt and sugar. Just a random assortment of things. Another little container, more tea, Chick-fil-A sauces, some sweetener, honey packet. I've actually got 2 of these. I've got some like lemon juice in here, packets of lemon juice, golden mustard, just all kinds of stuff in here. Stuff I've been meaning to try to drink and use up, but coffee in here, mochaccino, got some Strike Force energy drink, some of these Crystal Light wet naps, just random assortment. Some of these things, it's a hand wipe, Justin's peanut butter. I've actually got country gravy packet mixes in here. New Millennium bar, just random stuff, some raw honey. I actually got chopsticks in there for some reason, another energy. Just trying to keep them all organized. I was trying to decide what I was going to do for lunch today, but I got a bunch of Mountain House meals in here. Biscuits and gravy. Wow, I got 4 biscuits and gravy. I need to start camping and start eating this stuff up. Chicken fajita bowl. Backpacker's pantry. Pumpkin spice pancake mix, Ridgeford sandwich, more Mountain House, one of those civilian MREs. This is a spaghetti and meat sauce. I got a shin bowl. Just, I see things at the store and I don't know if that's Bannock or just flour. So, curry cup of noodle. I think I did a video on that. I just had an extra one. More pancake mix. Just this empty bag. This is literally just water. I got oh, that's probably bad now. This Texas State Fair chili from Packet Gourmet. I never got around to eating it, and it only lasts about a year. Damn, that's a waste. That's too bad. So you gotta keep this stuff in, you gotta Knorr meal. Unless I gotta be These Texas Pete sauce packets, they don't last very long. Got beef jerky, empty. Guess I was overdue for cleaning this out. MRE. On this shelf behind me, I've got like 6 of these accessory packets. Got another backpacker pantry. Hospitals, another MRE, a few random things I bought to do canteen cup cooking vids, applesauce, drink mix, another drink mix. I think another Bannock mix. Jeez. Instant mash. So I gotta start eating, using this stuff because some of these food items have expiration dates. I gotta check those expiration dates. Trader Joe's coffee. Grown up mac and cheese. Never got around to get into these individual peanut butters. That's kind of it. So I just thought I'd share that. On the shelf behind me, I've got just some like oils that I don't want to keep in a container. A few hot chocolate mixes. What else? I think some olive oil. Just keep those on the other side so they're not laying down or tipping over to spill everywhere. So I got a little bit of food. I think I need to start going through some of this and start consuming it before I buy more so I can rotate it out. Alright, well, that'll be just a random video, so thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.